Nested loops with different and dependent steps. I need to make an algorithm to perform a task with 2 while loops. I will explain what it is I want to achieve. I need to make a loop based on length of h value. Well, the loop should take big steps with f.x. 3 or 2 or 4, the item from while or for loop should check a condition or equation. I need to check when or which value of item gives 0 value to n in equation. When n value reaches 0, I need to perform a smaller step with 0.1. Because I need to be more précis. There is no need to start the loop with small step in the beginning, it slows performance time, and it is just interesting to know exact small value of item which gives 0 to n equation. And this is true when n equation closes to 0 value. To illustrate the example, loop 1 starts and take big steps. The reason for n is greater than or equal to -1, because we could start step from 50 down to 0 and n value can be negative as well. I have tried to figure it out with code below, but it seems not working. Is it a way to generate such code in while or for loop?
This might help you some. Not exactly what you wanted, but it is a start. Or you could do it like this.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.